Hi everybody, I'm Ellie with T-sportline, and we are still customizing Cybertrucks over here at our service center in Los Angeles, California. And the one that I have to share with you today is unlike no other. We have never done anything like this. Check it out. Starting off with the front bumper that has been completely smoothed out, all that texture on the plastic's gone. It's been painted gloss shiny black, as well as the rear bumper. Now let's jump right into the wrap. TMaxx metallic psychedelic black is a stunner. Something very special. It's been trending really strong for us now, and that's because when the sun hits it, like it's doing right now, all of a sudden, this dark and black gray metallic flake starts showing signs of orange and yellow and green and blue and purple and teal and Miami blue. And I'll get back to that in a second. So after we wrap the complete Cybertruck, instantly you're gonna notice that something very special is happening over here on the side, and that's because this truck has our gloss carbon fiber wide body package. Starting off with these really cool front fender arches to replace the ones that came with the truck, as well as the ones in the rear. Very cyber-esque in its styling, and then that ties in perfectly with these really cool side skirts or rocker panels that come along here. This is real carbon fiber in a gloss finish. We also do offer it in a matte finish. This customer loves carbon fiber so much, we even added some gloss carbon fiber side mirror caps. So now there's no more textured plastic on the bumpers or the arches. It's either painted gloss black or gloss carbon fiber. Along with the wrap, looks amazing. Now, as you can also see, the customer did not stop there. There's no way you can have a customized Cybertruck like this and have the stock 20-inch wheels. Sorry, 22-inch CT7 wheels finished in diamond black. Diamond black means that the facial lines of the design of the wheel are finished in like a silver, kind of a brushed clear look, and then the rest of the elements of the wheel are gloss black. And now this CT7 style looks completely different than what you've seen in the past when it's satin black or gloss black. Super cool. Exposing the front and rear brake calipers, this customer was inspired by some of the Miami blue kind of teal color in the wrap to have the calipers painted in that color. We applied the Cybertruck letters in the same cyber font on the front caliper. How cool is this truck, right? I mean, something that I've never seen before. I'm really happy to share it with you guys today. I'd love to hear some comments below. What do you think? Is this the best looking Cybertruck you've seen yet? I think it's pretty cool. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, because we have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.